What's going on? So today we got a video from Unspoken Crime Murders, and the title of the video is Neighbor Snaps Over Trash Dispute and Attacks a Cop. All right, so let's get into the video. Let's see what they're talking about here.
This woman took things way too far when she kicked down her neighbor's door with a knife, all over a trash dispute.
Wait. Get your hand in my neck.
That's another charge.
All over a garbage dispute and an argument about an acquaintance. This woman attacked her neighbor and kicked his door down, which resulted in her getting shot at.
This motherfucker wanna pop fire on the little ass gun. Pew, pew, pew.
How many times he told you to stop?
All right, just hand.
Officers responded to a chaotic scene with shots fired at a local apartment building. The shooter, a tenant, claimed he had to protect himself after a woman was seen kicking down his door during a dispute over trash.
All these days you was fake pretending to be my friend, so you can come over and cook.
Okay, listen. If you try to go past this officer one more time, we're gonna place you in handcuffs and place you in the back of the car. Do you understand?
Just do it now. Just do it now.
Okay, we're gonna act
All right,
like adults.
just do it now. Just do it now. No, just do it now because I'm about to act up. Just do it now.
Why can't you act like an adult?
Just do it because I don't want to. I was acting like an adult before y'all got here.
10 minutes.
This wanna pop fire on the little ass
10
gun.
minutes, and you
Pew,
keep walking
pew,
past this
pew.
officer after how many times he told you to stop?
All right, just handcuff me, officer. Just do it. Just do it.
If she walks past you again, place her in handcuffs and put her in her car. Yeah, I got her.
The victim was briefly handcuffed for officer safety while they investigated the shooting. Her boyfriend, seen to the right, explained his side of the story to officers.
All right, so what led up to the altercation today?
Last night he came banging on the door last night.
What did he want?
Looking for her in the house.
Oh, he thought she was in your house?
Yes, she told him, or that's what he's saying. I can't say because he'd be so drunk, you don't know, right? But he said, hey, she say she ain't here. Hey, bro, ain't nobody in here, man. You know what I'm saying? Ain't nobody called, ain't nobody's in the house. You understand what I'm saying? So you trying to open the door, snatch open the door, etc. Hey, Steve, listen, man, the girl ain't here. All right?
Oh, this was today?
Last night. This was last night.
So was that altercation kind of similar to today?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. So we coming back from getting pull-ups. We went to go get pull-ups and came back, and I'm trying to see if he's sober enough this morning to talk to him. Hey, Steve, listen to me. Whatever you and this girl got going on, don't involve me in that thing. Okay? This girl is not at our house, nor is she welcome in our house.
Just listen to him.
You understand what I'm saying to you? He wanted to blow it out of proportion, man.
It's on the couch.
He wanted to blow it out of proportion. No, she wants to blow it out of proportion. Oh no, you ain't finna fucking. And how you gonna sit here and let him talk to me like this and that? So his drunk ass want to get all hostile, etc. We trying to go in the house, bro. You want to keep reaching in my house? I'm telling my old lady to go. Hey, you go, cause we got kids. Our kids and that. We all trying to get in the house. This man be drunk enough to the point that he don't be knowing what's going on around here. This man, I done seen this man out here fight and get hit with a brick in his head, get right up off the goddamn floor, still ready to fight.
Dang.
Right there.
Okay, so you
right there. And the brick that's out there. Go look.
Hold on, no. Let's finish with today. Let's finish with today.
Yeah, get my girl at the car. Get my girl at the car and our handcuffs. Yeah, can y'all please get my girl at the car? Cause this the man
Just
that shot the gun.
hang out, man. I'm trying to figure out what's going on.
This the man that got to shot the gun at me. Y'all gotta lay.
I'm trying to figure out what happened.
Okay, so let's lead up to.
We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second, but first I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from zero to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
So let's lead up to today. I got the backstory what happened yesterday, but what happened today?
Today, the same thing. Like I say, man, him trying to get into the house, trying to get around us, etc. Bro,
To your house with
yes,
you? Okay.
in my house, the door open. The door open, bro.
Did he say why he was trying to get into your
Nah,
house?
baby, whatever this girl done hyped him up on is what he's hyped up on.
Okay. All right. At what point did a firearm get used in this?
When I'm trying to get into my house and he trying to turn me around.
You're trying to get into your house?
My own house.
You were standing outside?
No, I'm outside trying to go inside with the keys. With the keys trying to get
And he's already in your house?
No, he's not in the house. We all outside. Everybody's standing outside.
Okay.
Everybody was already outside. Nobody came to nobody's door to knock on nobody's door, nothing. We were just coming back. They were outside.
Okay. And he... Okay, so he was preventing you from going inside. So
yes, and I'm trying to tell him, bro, get back, etc. The gun was on my hip. See? Holster. Concealed carry, zero carry holster.
Okay.
Okay? I'm licensed to carry too.
Uh-huh.
All right? At the end of the day, sir, all I know is this.
Yeah, this Florida, right? Yeah, that boy not playing. That boy not playing. He ready to what? He gonna put you down. He gonna put you down like a dog. You hear me? Time to put him down. He don't act right. Time to put him down. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, he ready to eat what? You don't act right. This how you know guys are legit. You feel me? My boy got a holster. These wannabe thugs and all that stuff, bro, they be having guns in their waistband and this, that, and the third. No holster, none of that. Like, they probably got one in the chamber, no holster, man. Anything could go off. Boop, boop. You can shoot yourself, be like Plexico Burris, shoot yourself in the leg. You know what I mean? You gonna be jacked up. This guy right here, this guy's legit. That's why he got his license and all that. He got his holster. That boy ready. What? Man, I got a family, boy. What? You come around here, you messing with the wrong one today.
Hold on, let's finish. Let's not know, at the end of the day, all I know is this.
No, I'm being honest.
No, I understand. I appreciate your honesty. Thank you. Was the gun shot outside?
Yes.
Where was it shot at?
On the ground. I angled towards the ground to back him up out my face. Hey, Steve, get up out my face.
He was at your face.
Yes, a couple of times.
This close when you shot the gun?
If you don't mind me being up on you. No,
sure,
he wasn't in my face. You understand? Hey, man, whatever you want to do. Whatever, you know what I'm saying? Hey, listen, my boy, get back. You understand what I'm saying? Hey, look, Steve. Hey, listen, man, get back, bro. This is serious now. You understand what I'm saying, bro? My kids and shit here, everything, bro. Get on back now. You still want to come forward, etc. I brought one off into the ground. Hopefully you'll understand, bro. This is serious, bro. Like I say, you get hit in the face with goddamn bricks when you drunk and still want to get up and fight people, man.
Yeah, back up now. You better tighten up now before we get you together. That's what I'm saying. You better act right. Hey, back up, bruh. Back up. I'm about to get you together real quick, man, because you out of order. We got to get you back in line. You feel me? You feel me? Hey, listen, maybe your batteries need to be rearranged. You know what I'm saying? You need to change your battery. You know what I'm saying? Boy, you act... Boy, if you don't get yourself together, my kids is here now. You better act right, boy. We gonna send you to the afterlife.
I'm gonna go to work in a little bit. I'm gonna go to work. I use my hands. I'm not gonna break them trying to fight nobody.
All right.
Man, free that man.
You're not under arrest. Turn off caps. Capital IG. You're being detained because you can't stop yelling and screaming and acting crazy. Right? We gave you multiple chances to not be yelling and screaming. No, you're not going to jail. As of right now, you're not going to jail. You're just being detained.
Do y'all have security cameras or anything?
No, I don't.
Okay.
I used to have a ring doorbell cameraman, but the bike side of it broke.
Okay. So you shot your gun in fear that, he was what did you feel that he was going to do if you didn't shoot that gun? What do you feel like it would have escalated into?
Listen to me, I already got teeth missing out my goddamn mouth. To me, getting my ass beaten by a mother who get drunk and get hit with shit, who don't even give a damn and get up and still fight.
Okay, so there ain't no fighting him. There ain't no fighting him.
What do you mean? Okay, these motherfuckers be drink wine, Hennessy, every goddamn thing. Like I said,
dude, listen. I'm not angry at you.
No,
I'm just getting your statement, but I understand.
Yeah, because he got to pay attention. The cop is actually on his side, honestly, but that's why he wording it the way that he wording it. So you was in your fear of for what did you think was gonna happen? You know what I'm saying? The correct answer is, I was in fear for my life and my children. I have my children here, I have my wife, and the way that he's pressing up on me, I don't know what he's capable of doing because I've seen him getting into multiple altercations and with different people and this guy, it seems like this guy has no regard for life. So if he don't care about his own life, then I know he don't care about me and mine. So I have to protect my family. That's more of the right answer, what he looking for. You know what I'm saying? You got to make that thing sound, you know what I mean? Like, yeah, the cop isn't against you, he on your side. This is what guns is for. Like, people that go about it the right way, get their license, carry, holster, there's nothing wrong with that. That's what we have the right to carry. You know what I'm saying? So, if you're doing it the right way, there's nothing wrong with that.
You're frustrated. Okay. All right. So let me go talk to my coworkers, and then we'll see about getting you out of these cuffs. Okay.
No,
All right. With that being said, do you give me consent to go retrieve the firearm in the casing?
I'm in the process of buying this gun, so
You're in the you making payments on it?
yeah,
Okay.
yeah,
Nonetheless.
I can give you the casing.
Okay. All right. Just hang tight. We're gonna stay here, though. Okay.
I ain't going nowhere.
I know.
I've been complaining.
I know you have. You haven't seen me, have you?
No.
Usually I come around when people aren't complying.
Hey, that's okay.
The victim was cleared of any wrongdoing. As for the suspect, things took
Free
a
that
turn when she
man.
was arrested for assault and disorderly conduct. But let's see how that played out.
Listen, don't let that kid put his hands on me.
I do not want to put my hands on you. I just want you to go in the cell. You're right. Listen, the faster I can get to typing and I'll argue with you, the faster you get out in the end. So if you cooperate, you could probably be out by tomorrow morning. Okay, so I've asked you to go in the cell once. We've told you to go in the cell.
You never asked me.
Will you
never
please?
asked me.
I've asked you multiple times. Come on, let's go. Come on, stand up. Stand up. No, okay. You don't want to stand up.
Okay. Cool. Grab her other shoulder.
And y'all got the camera, right?
Yes.
All right, so get the off of me like this. Woman, you're not gonna drag me like this.
You're gonna get another charge. You're gonna get another charge.
I don't give a call a woman. I want a woman present.
Go get somebody, man.
Call a
We'll get
You're not
somebody.
gonna drag me like this. All men around me. All men. Call a woman.
What? And exactly what you want a woman for?
Just to see what's going on.
Okay, that's fine.
You're not gonna drag me and try to grab my legs like that. Shit you wish you could do in your bedroom, little pencil ass bitch.
You're right. If you do not want us to put our hands on you, go in the cell.
How can I go in there?
You said what?
How can I go in there?
Well, you could have stood up and walked.
How can
but-
I go in there? You just dragged me.
Okay, so stand up.
Don't touch me. You, per se. Don't touch me. I said you! Officer, please don't let him touch me. I don't want him touching me.
You don't have an option.
Oh, you're breaking my arm.
Then stand up. Stand up then.
Put your hand on my neck.
Are you
without
going
even choking me.
Are you gonna stand up?
Face
No, you give me a chance.
that way. Face that
Give me a chance.
You keep dropping yourself. I'm trying to pick you up. You keep dropping yourself. Come
You're
on.
breaking my fucking arm.
That's another charge. That's another charge. That's another charge.
It's not a charge.
That's another
I didn't
charge.
touch you.
Now you have a
I
felony.
didn't touch
Congratulations.
you. Look at me.
Stay on.
Congratulations.
I wish I would have hit. If you knock your motherfucking head off.
Sergeant, you were present for that?
Congratulations, you got a felony now.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Man, that's crazy. She gotta be under the influence or drunk or something. Something ain't right with her. Something ain't right with her, cause she acting a fool, man. But yeah, free that man with that glizzy on him, you know what I'm saying? With that up that thing on that boy. Back up. I got my family now. What? About to send you somewhere you don't want to go yet. But yeah. About to push your wig back. You hear me? Yeah. Free that man. Said, oh, yeah, he's been cleared of any wrongdoing. That's a fact. That's a fact, though. Now, if he was in New York, that boy going to jail. Okay? He going to jail. That's the messed up part about New York, man. But anyway, I think the cops did a good job, man. They get a 4 from me. Facts. Free that boy.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.